Drone Fight Group is an integrated defense technology ecosystem, developing and deploying battlefield-tested solutions based on real combat experience in Ukraine. Bat Drones is our R&D and manufacturing division, focused on combat drone production, autonomous strike systems, counter-drone technologies, advanced communications and navigation systems. UFDS is a professional military simulator for drone pilot training. It is widely used across major training centers in Ukraine and internationally. Our user base continues to grow as we expand the platform with new capabilities and training content. Drone Fight Club Academy delivers advanced tactical training for the operators. Our instructors bring extensive frontline experience and have developed proprietary training programs that enable rapid, scalable, and effective operator preparation. We train professionals for real-world missions. Drone Fight Group is building a global platform for next-generation drone warfare and autonomous defense technologies. Let's partner to accelerate innovation together.